My name is Rihanna. I'm a quilt teacher, and I will promise you, with my lessons, I will let you know how quilting can turn your life around. Beside jokes, it's even true, because a quilt can bring moments of mindfulness and peace in your life, and it also adds drops of joy while you're pursuing a meaningful life in balance with others. Every 2 weeks I have a quilting session where you can learn how to quilt with small projects. Like an hour is enough to learn the basics for every project, and you'll be able to finish it in no time. With those projects, I will teach you that quilting is a very accessible hobby, how you can turn the clothes and the materials you already have into the quilted masterpieces, and how quilting is a creative mindfulness practice you can pick up anytime you have 5 minutes left, or also if you want to spend 3 hours in the evening. It doesn't have to be difficult, it doesn't have to take a lot of time. It's all about finding the time to add some drops of joy to your life and finding connection with others who quilt too, and having a creative teacher like me who will guide you through it and who will help you to find the peace of mind and the rest in your life to have creative mindfulness. Society's trash should be our treasure.